about 808
Yeah, another beautiful Monday. See what them city boys are up to. Ha. Got my boots up on the railing, sun is getting high. Got a notification flicker in the corner of my eye. Some penny stock is flying on some make-believe news, talking about a merger trying to light a fuse. Folks are losing their minds, going all in all fast, building up a castle that was never meant to last. I take a little sip of my sweet iced tea, tap a couple buttons, simple as can be. Let them have their fun, let them have their climb, cause I know what's coming at the end of the line. That's the front porch payout, easy as can be. While they're sweating bullets, it's a payday for me. Tip my hat to the moon, then I bet on the fall. Lean back in my chair and just wait for the margin call.
Just wait for the margin.
Hear the chatter online, man, it's nothing but noise. Diamond handing garbage like a bunch of schoolboys. Me, I'm just here watching clouds roll past, knowing that a party that wild ain't ever gonna last. And right on cue, that rocket starts to stall, and all them diamond hands begin to feel real small. I take another sip, ain't worried about a thing, just listen to the sound of my phone go cha-ching. Let them have their panic, let them have their fall, cause I knew what was coming all along, y'all. That's the front porch payout, easy as can be. While they sweating bullets, it's a payday for me. Tip my hat to the moon, then I bet on the fall. Lean back in my chair and just wait for the margin call. Ain't no magic formula, ain't no crystal ball, it's just knowing a brick wall. When you see a brick wall, they chase the sugar high. I just wait for the crash, cause slow and steady's how you make the real cash. That's the front porch payout, easy as can be. While they sweating bullets, it's a payday for me. Tip my hat to the moon, then I bet on the fall. Lean back in my chair and just wait for the margin call. Yep, there goes. Right on schedule. Time to close it out. Another day, another front porch payout. Yeah, I remember that ticker about a week ago, lit up every screen. Man, what a show. Headlines were buzzing, volume through the roof. Everybody screaming out that bulletproof proof. They were chasing green candles, thought it never been, swearing this was it, that I would never end. But I've seen this movie, I read this page before, and I was just waiting for them to find the door. Now the crickets are chirping on the forums and threads. All the to the moon boys, they just went to bed. The news anchors moved on, found a shinier car, and now it's just a number wondering where the buyers are. Support lines are cracking, but nobody hears the sound, cause they're all busy chasing the new talk of the town. They left this one behind like an old summer trend. But that's where my story, my friend, begins. Cause it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up, sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just riding the slide, letting that red position quietly ride. It's just a slow bleed, easy as a shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. It's not about the panic, it's not about the crash, it's not that sudden 100-yard dash. It's the slow unwind, the return to me, the prettiest red chart I've ever seen. Every little rally gets sold right back down, like the air's letting out of a carnival clown. No drama here, just a simple truth. The party's over and I'm checking out the proof. Yeah, it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up, sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just like shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. Some folks need the action, the volatility. They wanna get rich by 2:45. They like the battle, the push and the pull, but I just wait till the room ain't full. I wait for the quiet, I wait for the still. When that rock is just a rock rolling back down the hill. Cause it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up. Sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just sliding the slide, letting that red position quietly ride. Yeah, it's just a slow bleed, easy as a shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. This sleepy fade, just riding it down, volume's all gone, back to normal, just a sleepy fade.
I can't even look at the scanner. I know I'm wrong, but I just gotta get it back. Just one more trade.
Yeah. 6 a.m. the screens got that pale blue light. Got a whole damn watch list, but it don't feel right. Cause my eyes are glued, man, I'm locked in tight to the one damn name that ruined my last night. Swore I was done, swore I'd walk away, but I saw that pre-market dip, thought this is the play. I went all in and it bled all day. Now I'm stuck here staring, turning cold and gray. This ain't a trade, it's a toxic romance. I hate this ticker, but I'll give it one more chance. Short in the sunlight, long in the night, doing everything backwards, stuck in this fight. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight a trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my skin is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving. Just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. My other monitors flashing, they plus setups, calling that other tickers breaking out a straight up hollering. My phone is blowing up, my trading group is brawling. You seeing this move? Nah, man, I'm busy falling back in love with the pain, I guess. Adding to a loser, man, I'm such a mess. This ain't risk management, it's just a game of chess, where I'm the only pawn, filled with stress. I see the right move, but my hands won't click. This ticker's like a drug, man, it's making me sick. I just wanna break even, need that one last trick, but the hole just gets deeper, brick by brick. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight the trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my scan is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving. Just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. Is this addiction, or is it just pride? Can't admit I'm wrong, with nowhere left to hide. Got this tunnel vision, everything else died. It's just me and this chart, side by side. I hate the stock, but I can't let it go. It's a sick obsession, watching my account blow. This was never the plan, man, I used to know how to cut the loss, how to let it go. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight the trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my scan is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving. Just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. Spiraling. Down, down, down. It's everything for what? For this one damn name. Same time tomorrow, I guess.
It's one name. Good morning, traders. Kind of good. Still getting the coffee going, guys. I've been training for like about 5 hours now. Got up at 3:30 just to experience pain. But I'm in a good mood. I mean, I got another 25K max going at Q on that right now. But man, what a morning. I want to talk it through with you guys, but it's not been fun. It's not been fun just because everything worked out except me. I'm the thing that didn't work out this morning. Yeah, let's this is painful. So like MSGY, for example, beautiful setup here. Absolutely gorgeous. I should show my chart on Trade the Pool. Give me 1 second. You guys can learn something from my mistakes. There's a few good plays, opportunities this morning. I'm eyeballing. Let me know how you guys are doing. Let's see. This one's the funded. Yeah, the funded's been struggling, guys. Been struggling with the funded here. All right. So here's MSGY. MSGY, beautiful fader, this ticker, and took profits too early. Now, take a look at my struggle this morning. IMTE with the top tick. With the beautiful top tick on this play. And there's a few things I noted over the weekend, and I'm noting this morning. So I'm not so disappointed, in the losses. I just want to learn from them, right? I want to learn from these. So the last 2 weeks has been the most, troubling for the funded account for me. And what I have noticed in doing some research is I'm restabbing losers and I'm not restabbing winners. I'm restabbing losers. I'm not restabbing winners. And I got to break out of that. My problem is, since I'm a short seller and I love euphoria, when I see something going up higher, and I get stopped, I'm setting good stops and I'm very disciplined with that. But when I see something going higher, I want to re-enter it. And that's what this chart is showing. And it's just such a hard habit to break. Once you know something, look at this. I top ticked out of this for a max L in the day on the funded, and it's a good thing it didn't work out. I gotta learn and stop doing this. The chart, I'm stopping out well, but I'm re-hitting them too much and giving one individual ticker too much wiggle room. So that is a habit I gotta break. One thing I was thinking about this morning is I need to size down and give these plays just a lot more wiggle room. Honestly, I got to size down and give them wiggle room rather than saying, okay, let me go in, full size right here with 10 cents of risk, because naturally I want to hit the top. I know that's a flaw of mine too. I need to write that down because I know I got to stop trying to hit the top. I mean, I want good single entries. But rather than being like, oh, okay, this is the top, let me give them wiggle room, right? And we have that evidenced by GLTO this morning too, which I've been working that on an eval. So, guys, I'll show you the funded chart real quick so you guys can have an update on how I'm doing with that. All right, this is my chart on the funded 25K. I was doing fairly well with that. I took a payout. I was up $700-800. In the last 2 weeks, I've just been getting wrecked. I just have been getting absolutely wrecked. I haven't been taking any profits. Things have been reclaiming. I've top ticked so many tickers. It's been like a string of unluck, just bad luck. But so I'm $400 away from that thing blowing up. I got another eval going, which I'm up Q on the day right now. I'm in good spirits because I'm in these drawdowns. I know I got to work on things, right? When I'm winning, I'm not really thinking about what I need to work on. So I got to leave things more wiggle room and just size down. So for instance, on that ticker this morning that I top ticked, we know likely where it's going, but for me, the scalping, I just don't like. I don't like scalping plays. I want to see, like, where is this ticker going to be an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours from now? That's more of how I like to trade versus where is it going to be in 20 seconds. And when I start trading like that, I make errors. I make errors because it's just emotions are flying, right? The ticker's flying up, squeezing higher, and you want a better position on it. So what I'm going to start doing is sizing down, giving them a lot more room. Like I'm gonna go in like 100 shares on that thing and give it like a point. I mean, that's what I'm doing because I think 90+% of the time it's gonna, we're gonna allow for that scalping fluctuation that traders are trading, and then we're gonna get these plays, coming back down. And even though it may only make 30, 40, 50, $60 in the few times where it does squeeze all the way up the point or whatever. So I'm just going to give things a lot more wiggle room. The scalping, I'm not a fan of it. I like to be able to, I'll set the stop. I like having hard stops set. But really where I've been struggling lately is re-stabbing losers and not re-stabbing winners. I gotta keep working winners and not keep working losers. I mean, it sounds so freaking obvious, right? But it's something I've been messing up here lately. So just wanted to share that with you guys. On the eval, I'm up. I just started because I'm gonna put the funded in the pocket. I think I'm gonna retire it for a little bit of time. Because I'm trading that a little too emotionally right now. I got a fresh eval. I'm working. I'm up 120 or so this morning on it right now on the 25K. And then I'm working MTC. So MTC is kind of all I'm working right now. I'm liquidated everything else. But I want to go over some of these plays with you. I like MTC backside. And honestly, like this past week, there were so many reclaims. Like this is the move that I want to see right here. IMTE. Guys, I am holding these plays to work for me. It's honestly been part of my problem because there's been so many times where they pull back and I'm able to take my 10, 15 cents. I'm able to take the 10, 15 cents, but I haven't been because I am a fairly convicted short seller for the big picture play. So last week there were so many reclaims. Lion, good to see you in here. Thanks for jumping in here. Yeah, got to leave wiggle room. Good to see you in here. Yeah, I'm optimistic, man. I mean, it's been the last couple of weeks have been challenging for me, but I'm optimistic because we're learning in those pullbacks, in those drawdowns on the account. Yeah, the IMTE top tick. Oh my God, I can't help but just laugh. That's just ridiculous. IMTE. All right, let's flip through some plays this morning and figure out what we're looking at. GLTO. This thing is an acquisition that's been bouncing around. They announced that they're acquiring Damora Therapeutics in a private placement. So acquisitions. It's a little tricky, acquisitions. They normally, when a company acquires another, they normally kind of just go sideways. They shoot up, go sideways. GLTO is interesting because it just recently made a move not that long ago, like last month, from 4 to 36. So I imagine it's going to get stuffed, certain levels up here. But right now it's got a kind of double bottom shape forming here. But yeah, Lion, that's my approach. That really works for me. I see some traders that they do really well, and I admire some of these where they just heavily lean into these plays on the scalp side. Like for instance, this IPHA that popped up, just shoots straight up and goes straight down, and it's just, and they're just like short all the way up, but. It's not my style. I mean, I want to give it an entry and then give it a lot of wiggle room, but it's not. I'm not going to be wildly heavy on it. I just want to throw an entry out on it, and then look at the bigger time frame and look for the next trade. Look for the next trade is key for me because when I focus on one trade, like always, I'm literally repeating that all the time. It's my biggest flaw, focusing too much on one trade. Speaking of that, MTC, I like MTC still. This is what I'm currently on 25K eval up Q, and I'm working MTC backside. I like this. I want some other plays to pop up this morning and for longs to find the next shiny ticker. And so MTC will just start, profit taking and fading. That's ideally what I'm looking for. Ideally what I'm looking for there. And some of you in chat called SELX. SELX is actually one I caught on the eval that worked out real well. Kind of in this bear flag pattern, and faded off at $1.50 down to 90 cents. So that one was pretty good this morning as well. But yeah, GLTO kind of triple topping here, 22. But yeah, size and smaller, even on that name, like giving it towards. You gotta like that's the issue, especially when I was trying like the larger evals, is trying to figure out the sizing versus the risk I'm trying to give it versus where I want to let this thing run to, giving it an abnormal risk level, right? Because everyone puts their stops at the same level, and that's why these tickers, they just gravitate towards those levels, because everyone's stop is at the same exact place, right? Here's Orgo, little hangover-ish. Magic 20 hit yesterday, or Friday, 620. A lot of these plays have been on decent, reputable news, though, like earnings there. MOVE, next shiny thing. So this Monday, guys, there hasn't been a short of tickers that have been squeezing up. Mondays are oftentimes big days for PRs. So MOVE is on the move. Move's on the move right now. They're in a merger. Okay, creating a pure play platform for a secure AI infrastructure and high performance inference move. All right, so AI related play. They're in a merger. And move is a tiny float. Yeah, this is how this morning's been, though. It's been like going from ticker to ticker to ticker to ticker. So here's the 1 minute time frame here. But again, this is something, if I'm a trade, I'm going to give it, quite a bit of wiggle room. A size small, give it even up towards like, what's the obvious area for the stop, right? It's over the high, 1889. So I'd want to give it even, maybe a lot higher than that. So I'd have to size real small on this. All right, that's move on the move right now. Let's see what else is on the scanner. Any tickers you guys want me to look at, let me know. COGT is interesting. She's going sideways. This was positive phase 3 trials. Shows a median progression-free survival of 16.5 months for their drug. The company plans to submit an NDA to the FDA as well. So phase 3 trials there. And just for reference, there have been a few phase 3 trials here recently, like PRAX, which went up from 50 to 170 and still holding up right now. And QURE, which dumped not too long ago, but QURE might have actually some room down south. It's kind of bear flagging up. What did they come at? Did they offering? Or bad earnings? Okay, bad earnings, QURE. But that's this morning. Taking a look at last week, what caused the dump here. Because QURE, it might be like a sleepy fade. How do you guys like that song from Perfect Fall? The Sleepy Fades, man. That's a good song. Yeah, and MSGY has, I'm going to keep an eye on QURE for that continuous sleepy fade. But yeah, MSGY this morning. Oh, man. Fades alerted it, guys, in the Discord. Guys, the Discord was freaking hot this morning. It was hot with alerts. If you're not in it, join it. It's free in the description. Up from 3:45 this morning, giving alerts out, and they were all really good plays. All right, let's keep flipping on through, guys. MOVE, very interesting play right now. SOC just tested 720s on the sloppy seconds, 720s SOC. They had a private placement, $250 million private placement. SOC, that's what's keeping that one on up. But yeah, let's bring on Mr. Fades in here, see what he's looking at. Fades, good morning. How was the weekend?
Good morning, guys. Not bad. Not a bad weekend. Glad to be back on the saddle, though, this morning.
Yeah. Were you as anxious as I was on
Yeah, I've been
morning
up.
at 4 a.m.?
Yeah, I've been up. We had some good opportunities this morning. A couple of those plays faded real nice, those cheaper plays.
Good call on MSGY, by the way.
Yeah, there was a lot of meat to pick on those. Some of them were running after hours and whatnot. But I did get squeezed out. I got that 4 a.m. liquidity sweep, man. Those things are so annoying, dude, on some
On
of those
which one?
tickers from this morning. I think it was more than one. So what I've realized is I can overnight certain shorts, but like overnighting the very cheap penny plays are sketchy because of that sweep that we get.
Yeah.
MSGY did it where it just went straight parabolic. Like
Oh,
it was super
yeah.
bearish. It was selling off, and I just held my position short. Yeah, so that's the dark side of like holding overnight. You get a something like
And then
that, you
seeing
know.
what it did
That's why I
thereafter.
was so convicted
Yeah.
afterwards because I'm like, oh wow, okay, that was the actual sweep. Now it's just gonna fade all day.
Oh, so you got your money
So,
back at least on it?
yeah, I made it back, but that's the thing. Like I get ambitious overnight shorting, and a lot of times it backfires on me. Like,
Dude,
I wouldn't say a lot of times, but it's really like a coin flip sometimes. So it's best
yeah.
if you just get up at 4 o'clock or really like 4:35. You get up at that time, man. You're gonna make some money as a short if you're disciplined. Like there's money to be made at that hour.
Well, speaking of money to be made, some people made it off of me this morning. IMTE, I don't know if you were watching, but I got a max
Yeah.
L at the top on that. So that I was so eager, dude, to jump into these plays, and
Between that one, there was 3 plays that were really good this morning.
yeah, IMTE, that one's. But I'm all good, man, in good spirits. That just we know our
Yeah.
kinks. It's just a matter of freaking listening to ourselves with them.
Yeah, the SELX is the other one that was this
Yeah,
morning.
SELX was
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah, man, we're working through it. We're working through the kinks. So
Yeah, we're good. We'll be there.
it was a frustrating couple weeks, but we know what we gotta do. Like the market hour chop, that market hour. It's fun. It's inverse. It's like pre and post is where I really step up and swing big, and then market hours, I
Yeah.
feel like I have to move like a turtle because it's just so manipulative. Like,
I know.
that's really how
And
it's
it's so
been.
frustrating. If you can be in good spirits, losing money and everything, working out and being awake from 3:45, you'll be all right, I think.
Yeah.
But yeah, this morning, man, it's because everything works so well. Like SELX, IMTE, and then your call, MSGY. Yeah, King Lion just joined Discord. Welcome. Yeah, we got hot picks up in there, and yeah, we're making moves in here. It's a good team. But yeah, we got 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And what do you look right now? I'm pretty much just in MTC, but we'll see. I'm not. It's like one loss there, and I'm done again today.
Yeah,
I'm not
MTC.
getting.
Yeah, I was telling you, it's like MTC feels like one of those trades where we don't know when it's going to happen, but randomly it's probably just going to drop like 50%. But it's
Yes.
like all the manipulation like chops you out. So you get so greedy and you oversize and you're never in there at the right time. So it's like you have to just sit in it like baby size, what it feels like, until it like really confirms on price or something. Because that thing, man, like they just wigged at 50 cents in like a minute last week. Like that was just so brutal. Like a 20% move in like a minute on a ticker. Like that's just
I
like anybody who
know.
has size is just so chopped. Like you're just done for. Like you got any kind of size, you can't withstand that kind of move. Like your stops are not going to be set for that. So
yeah,
it's like something probably just leave like a couple hundred shares in for now, and then see if I want to size into it, depending on what it does. Like have a little skin in the game, but like give it that wiggle room still. That's how I feel about that one.
I know.
It's that like inevitable drop. It feels.
I can't marry it. Too much pain involved in that marriage.
And
You
yeah, it's
got
like once it gives you pain, it's like you got to really wait for it to set up, or you have to respect it and size way down. You know, it's like, but continuing that pain like with the same size, like that's where it goes bad. Right.
I figured you'd like this. I just pulled up QURE, and this chart looks bearish. Though you remember the phase 3 one? And
Yeah, there's a new phase 3 in town. It's COG-T.
yeah, I
COG-T
saw
had
it.
the phase 3, so now Cure's fading. Has that
Well,
thing faded all the way from? Thing's faded quite a bit, hasn't it?
yeah, it has. It's in a decent like pattern.
Because we were looking at it at what, like 40? Hold on, let me pull it up on my better chart.
Yeah, and then it looked like it offering based on the price action, but I don't see that news, so I'm not sure what that sell off was, 67 to
Yeah.
11, and then back up, but it's in a really nice bear flag. I might stab something at that.
The runner of the day move put in that liquidity sweep at 19. It's kind of been a bearish downtrend since. So that on watch for that to crack lower here at 14 is pretty key if it's going to wind back up or not. But that one's up 200%. That was a nice sweep it put in at 19 area if you caught that on the short. But now it's like at a key point. So
Thankfully,
just
I didn't see
on
move
the watch for
because I may have been early on this one too.
You're right. Yeah.
God
It's
dang,
right
dude.
there at a key level on that trend line, guys. So just worth watching. Could be on elevator watch. GLTO did kind of squeeze out though, squeezed everyone out and grinding. So that looks like the king of the day right now. Would trade the pool, to be honest. Like,
Yeah,
it's a
you're
different
right.
nature
Yeah,
to it. Like,
with DOS, it's because you got like really the hotkeys are really good. You can go
for
for
me, it's the
pennies.
spreads or everything though. Like, cause I was trading from my phone, dude. I was trading from my phone, but I was locked in on the spread so much where it was like,
Mm.
with the spreads on TTP, it's like basic, like stage 1 data or whatever. So like it's super spready. So trying to scalp that, and then you got 30 seconds to hold it. You got the 10-second rule. So it becomes a little more complex for sure.
All right, there's the bell, guys. Let's see what's going to happen here. I am monitoring. I want to see if MTC is going to sell off. This 220 level is very key for it. I'm not going to give it a ton of,
Yeah, MTC,
some.
looks like some selling blocks at the bell. There's a bid at 242, decent size. See if that's gonna wipe.
And then outside of that, I do have stops set there. QURE's chart is very interesting. I may just throw a little bit on that here in a little bit. I like the bear flag that's forming. Move under 14, you called that MOVE.
Yeah, move around 14. Watch for move around that 14 level.
Guys, please be careful with move. It's like I got 450,000 in the float. This thing's
Yeah,
tiny.
like if it goes the wrong way, you gotta have your stop set.
Yeah.
Rose, what are you doing, Taffy?
COGT on the phase 3, seeing some profit taking. Could ride that on down. GLTO 22 pulling back. Did it halt down? I think GLTO halted down.
Oh wow, halting or halted?
Halted.
Halted. Damn it. Yeah, but see, honestly, this is the type of play. What we've been seeing is reverse psychology. Like halt down, and what happens? It goes straight up. So it's like, let's see if that trend's going to continue, or if the bears like get some follow through here. Move looks like it's going to reclaim. Is that thing going to halt up now too? It is. Look at that algorithm, bro.
Wow. That's not surprising.
Here we go with
Honestly.
King of the Day.
It's really not surprising.
That's a crazy, that's honestly crazy. What an algorithm, man. One halts down, one halts up. Oh boy. Yep. Welcome to opening bell.
Yeah.
You know what I think I figured out though? I think it's my scanner that makes me lag. Like when I have it actually pulled up and not minimized. Like right at bell. I think that's what was making me lag, because now I'm not getting that lag and it's right at bell. So it's good to figure that out, because that was kind of annoying.
Yeah.
I think it's just like overloads it right at Bell. I did look up like Webull scanners can get laggy too. So, all right, I'm watching MTC here, seeing how it's gonna react.
Yeah,
I
set
mean,
some levels. I got 270 stops, but really
yeah,
wanted
so
to.
GLTO and Move are definitely just gonna be monitoring. But God, that's hilarious. One halt's up, one halt's down. Welcome to Monday.
Welcome to Money Monday. We got
Oh boy.
move halting up. You gotta pick
And
one.
it's going to be reverse psychology. Like Move is going to end up getting slammed, and GLTO is going to end up wicking and holding back up. Like I guarantee it. I don't guarantee it, but I probably, if you had to ask me, I would imagine that's what's going to happen.
COGT on the phase 3 trials selling off.
Okay, let me see.
If it's good news, you got
Is
you got
that
to short
Cog
it.
T or whatever? Cog T?
Cog T. Yep.
Yeah. Is there
Make sure
room?
you
It's
get
really
your Cog
something.
T in the morning. Yeah, this was the
Yeah, it's up
phase 3.
100%. So let's keep an eye on that thing. If it starts to form a little downtrend, that could be significant there. I mean, that's got room to 2025 for sure, if it wants to. But that phase three has been grindy. It's kind of been trading like acquisitions, right? That phase three where it just kind of pumps huge and kind of holds in that range.
Right. Yeah, I may.
But they eventually do give up though, like PRAX and Cure did too. So yeah, I'll be watching that one.
I'm gonna stab at Cog T and give it a couple points.
Okay, yeah, it's not a bad idea because it did that sweep. I mean, it looks like a liquidity sweep right there at 34 and now heavy. So, it's yeah, you know what? Looking at that
Yeah.
chart, I think I'm gonna go off that sweep and risk off it too. Because it's up 100 something percent, guys. So I mean, this thing's got room to drop to 25 or so. The risk is there. Getting a little bit of a pop, a lot of volume. What are you thinking for stop?
Uh, I mean, I don't really want it back up towards that upper wick, that it put in.
Yeah, like 34.
Yeah.
I'd say like in between 33 and 34. I mean, if it's gonna pump all the way back to 33, it might be going past 34. So that'd be a good scaled stop idea there. Like,
All right, guys. MOVE halted up. We'll see what she does. It's right. By the way, this is right at the 200-day moving average.
I like
MOVE.
MOVE for the short, so I feel like this might be a back holder trap.
Yeah. We'll monitor MOVE here out of the halt for potential. Yeah, I mean, this right at that 200. I like shorting those. It's on the merger news. Bear that in mind, guys. Cog T, okay, getting a little pull back off of 32. That pop. GLTO still in the halt down. IMTE trying to get a sloppy tenths pop. IMTE $1 up to $1.12. Good morning, Doug. One trade this morning. Yeah, good work. I saw that in the Discord. Excellent work, Doug, catching the what was it? S Rex.
Sex.
Yeah,
GLT
yeah.
resumption. GLT resumption and grinding up a little bit right now.
Okay.
Yeah, that move, man. Let's see if they. Well, no, move will be halted for 10. I think down halts, that's what's interesting. Down halts are 5, up halts are 10.
Oh, is
Look at
that
that. Look at that move, reclaim the whole halt. It's like they just trap everybody, bro. We know this. We know how this market works. Everything's upside down world. It's gonna halt up now. Look at that. And I'm adding, dude. I'm smacking move. I don't care. I'm gonna smack a little bit here and react to that. I think
all right?
but
MOV
we gotta
open.
wait for the
MOV
30
open.
seconds though. Hold on.
Is
We
it a
gotta wait
minute or
30
30 seconds?
seconds. That's a
Okay.
good question.
I think it's a minute.
40 seconds. Has it
We
already
gotta
been
wait a
30?
minute. Come on, move.
Has
Stay
it been
afloat.
30?
I think it's a minute, bro.
Minute
But
after the halt.
we gotta wait for another
I think I
minute
saw
candle.
40 seconds on a print. I see 50s. It's at 30 seconds now, so maybe 20 more. Oh my God. Man,
It's halting.
I'm smacking it. I don't care, dude. They can invalidate me.
I'm trading it anyways. Invalidate me.
It's gonna be close. Damn it, man. See, this is like I read that like a book, bro. And that's what's frustrating because like the rules,
Yeah.
like this is
Yep.
why we need offshore accounts for situations like that. That was
Yep.
so
Yep.
textbook, guys. So textbook. Learn from that. Like it's reverse psychology, especially at Bell trading these stocks. Like you got to know the nature of these plays and how they manipulate them.
Yeah. Yeah. If you think something's a good long, short it. If you think something's a good short, long it.
Incredible, bro.
Press the other
The
button. Yeah.
CMBM, watching that thing starting to get a little bit more love again. That's an interesting one.
This
I'm
is
not
the
really long or short bias right now on CMBM. I'm just watching it. It's just been a play I've been watching.
MTC, my long lost friend. Oh, MSGM is one you probably is decent too. Look at the chart here. So this was Friday's big play, and right now it's heavy under the previous close, 374. I think this is worth a smack, MSGM.
Hold on, let me pull it.
Take a look.
Yeah, I was watching that one. Yes, or Friday after hours.
Yeah, I like it against even like 380s guys. 380s there. All right. Yeah, Cog T's trying to curl up a little bit here. Like to keep seeing it profit take.
Yeah, how's it looking? Let me see. Oh yeah, curling up a bit. So yeah, it needs to stay above or below 33 for sure.
And then
It'd be an area to
MSGM, I
get
like that
involved or
guy
add a
too.
tight risk.
MSGM working out. So some of you guys are smacking that. It looks like. Yeah, MSGM against the 374s is pretty good. I did take that one. I think that could be a sleepy fade today.
Okay, yeah.
Dude, this is Move and GLTO. They were like halt up, halt down, halt, and then they literally did the opposite thing, right? Right after they came out of the halt.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I call that, dude. It's like it's such upside down world, bro. But the fact that they trapped everyone and now halted move down makes me feel like it might be done now. So I'm like, okay, let's see. I mean, if they can halt it back up, then it's just gonna be like, all right, Wild Wiki West. That's what we're doing. Cog T, Wild Wiki West. Fake liquidity sweep looks like total reclaim. That's brutal.
Monitoring MOVE. Let's see when she's going to open up. You said, did they just change that? It was like 5 minutes going one way, 10 minutes the other way.
I don't know.
Cog T, I got stopped out of that one. So
Yeah, that one was not behaving well. GLTO halted up higher. See, they just trapped all the bears there, and they trapped all the bulls and move. All the sheep just got slaughtered. Oh my God, it's halting up. I gotta buy it. And then it goes lower in reverse psychology. Like all the bears, like, oh, it's halting down. We gotta smack it. Like right at Pelican,
oh man,
they get the liquidity, and then the real move happens. Like,
this is what I'm saying. Like, why? This is literally why I was telling you guys I'm probably sizing extremely small here soon and giving things like tons of wiggle room to do this mess because like the last couple weeks, that's why I've been struggling really is it seems like there's just been extra volatility in these plays.
Yeah.
It's been like a nightmare trading some of this.
Yeah. 100%. Move opened. Yeah, COG T even. A little manipulative there. Yeah, MTC, I'm gonna stab a little bit there and just let some sit. Keep an eye on that one. Like I said, I expect a drop there, but because it's getting sleepier, right?
Yeah.
MTC. Oh, there was a little drop right just now. MTC, guys.
Move is halting down again.
Yeah. Nice. Let's go.
Well, we'll see if they count it.
Yeah.
I tried to wait a minute as well. I mean, I jumped in with you, but I don't know if it was a minute or not.
Cool. Yeah, hopefully they don't screw us. MTC is really interesting right now, guys. Like,
Yeah, MTC. Yep. All eyes on MTC. Sorry to echo you. I don't mean to be like a parrot every time you say it.
dude, I'm just dialed in.
Every time you're like GLTO. GLTO, guys.
Well, we're seeing all the same thing. We're like the same trainer in a different body, so it makes sense. Everyone already knows that.
Parrot trading is going to be my new name. MT, dude, can today please be MTC? She owes me so much money.
Yeah.
My God, MTC.
Small fortune. Oh, big volume there, guys. MTC. It might time.
All right, I got to go for it, guys. MTC. I'm going.
It. Just if you're going to size it up, set your stops, guys. Don't let it get away from you on a reclaim. Remember what we just saw in these other tickers. Like they could fool us out here too. Just don't stab. Don't take all your shots at once, right? Like take a good shot. Wait a minute. Like
all right. I'm gonna wait. Actually, I think that adjusted stop is fair over the high it just put in, 260s. So leaning against that is not bad on.
Yeah, you could stop ladder it up to that, or start the ladders at like 2.5. There we go.
Come on, MTC, come to daddy. Is today the day? Finally, guys, we've been on top of MTC.
Supposed to be. Shit.
I'm gonna digress right there. I'm gonna digress from that.
How this ticker
analogy.
It's
But we've been on top of it.
It's been like that, man. Everything's been upside down lately. But we stick through it. We stay positive. We're persevering, bro. Move.
Well, Lion, if MTC gets going, and I'm not just saying this because I'm in it, she's got so much room down. It really hasn't started yet. I mean, this is the chart on it. This 220 level is really where it needs to crack under, and then it's just free fall time. But she's been a really tricky ticker. I think it's a really good risk reward against the previous close 258, which right now that's 20 cents off of for tons of upside potential in the short, for a fade down.
If it doesn't get some kind of manipulative spike soon, dude, the party's over. Like the bulls need some kind of quick rally back up, like over 2.5 to get excited, or else everyone's going to capitulate.
Well, the thing is, Fades and I, we watch these because, like, for instance, today everyone's watching Move and GLTO and those plays, and it's like, and then MTC is where everybody is watching on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and fingers crossed nobody's watching it today, in which case we would bleed. Sky T straight up, by the way, guys, 19 to 23.
CMBM in a bullish uptrend here, seeing if that's going to fake out or if it's going to continue. Broke its downtrend it was in. Interesting one.
Orgo testing the 620. Yeah, Uzo watching those and BW. See, Orgo 620 is decent risk guide. Move, we'll see where that one's going to open up. And then GLTO halted down. Wow, it's going to turn into a halt fest here, guys.
God.
It just went from bear trap to bull trap, now to bear trap.
Dang it. I wanted to be
So-
there for the bear trap, but I don't know. I don't like now that ticker's grinded up. I'm good. I want to see it get like cracking that original base that it continued to hold, because there's so much meat on the bone. Like I'd rather play it like that, like than we talk about, than like trying to gamble and time the top and deal with all this chop. Like wait till they wash it to 16, 17. It gets heavy. There's so much meat there. Just stick around and wait for it. Like
Yeah.
that's kind of like my philosophy. Like move, like I was talking about, that 14 level, it broke. We manipulated over, we trapped everyone, and it broke. So that's where you want to be as a short. Like it just confirmed, like key level, it's still up 150%. Like the bulls are getting capitulated. That's why it halted down twice. Like
Guys, move should open up here yeah, move is open actually right now. Now are we gonna halt up? What's she gonna do now? Oh, it's lagging, I think, a bit.
is it?
It was for a second. It might be back up to speed.
Sounds about right.
No, she's lagging a little bit.
Looks pretty close to me.
Yeah, it's
Right.
it's about close now.
Yeah, sometimes TTP literally can't even keep up the data. Keep an eye on that minute if you're not in it, or I might scale out and then re-hit it just in case they invalidate that. Let me see what it's going to do here.
Has it been a minute where we can take
I
it
took
off?
some. Well, I took some off. I didn't take it all off, but I've been trimming out.
Yeah.
I'm not. I mean, I still like the trade, but got to take some off. Like
Yeah, I may do the same just because of the 1
probably
minute.
getting to that point where it's a minute. Let me flip, guys.
I think
40.
it has been a
Yeah,
minute.
yeah, it's been a minute. You're good to take some or do whatever.
It looks heavy here, man. I'm
Yeah.
probably gonna take it all and then resmack at
That's what I'm
MOVE.
doing. I just took it all and I'm starting to re-smack now. I can't, don't smack the same size you're in it for. But,
Yeah, that's where I've gone wrong before too. All right, I'm gonna set a stop. Like, honestly, if it reclaims 14, I would definitely not like that. 14. I'll put the stop up over 14 on it for move. I want it to stay heavy against that. For the leftover position, I'm gonna work.
yeah, I can see, 14, 15 for sure. It's like,
But outside of that, we tapped the 200-day beautifully, guys, and this is kind of heavy under VWAP right now, MOVE, so we'll give her a shot. Good,
Yeah.
good.
Let's go. Backholder traditions.
Come to Papa.
Whole new legacy of backholders.
For real, dude. I mean, like, we got people bag holding everything they're trading these days.
Legion legacy.
GLTO still halted down. IMTE, dude. This is kind of giving another entry. What was this even up on this morning? It's kind of giving an entry here, though. 140 risk guide IMTE. But
It's still up some. Of course, that COG is coming all the way back down now. Yeah, I'm good on that trade though. CMBMs. still grinding.
MTC kind of stabilizing. We want it to stay heavy against 258, guys. That's the level.
Yeah, I think 2.5. Like, see how it reacts there. If it can get back above it, if it's gonna stay heavy. GLTO is back open again. Grindy. King of the day vibes. Yeah, just waiting to see like a total capitulation there, and then I'll just continue the downtrend. If it halts
Yeah,
down, I might chase it on the eval.
GLTO,
Get degenerate. Is it gonna halt?
please stay up. Because honestly, that top it just put in 25 might be it. I'm going to give it a minute and then stab at it against the 25 high, guys. GLTO.
Yeah, it's already been a minute. It's been resumed for a little bit. If
Okay.
you're trying to get a trade in.
Yeah, I'm definitely trying to get a trade in here.
Are you risking off what level? This thing's up 300 something percent. Is this sustainable? Like,
I think
is it gonna capitulate?
up towards 25, I would not like it to get back up there. MTC's in the mid 230s now.
She's behaving. She's finally behaving? I'm not used to that.
Yeah, I know, right? MSGM working out as well. Good job, anybody who took that. And GLTO, I'm eyeballing against really the highs that I just put in.
MTC.
Yeah, she's being a
Move
good girl.
reclaim.
Yeah, move. I'm about to stop out probably on leftovers there. Focusing on GLTO, which probably means GLTO is going to... What, they've been doing the opposite of each other, right?
We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. GLTO feels a little grindier. Did move halt up?
Oh, it must have. Yeah, my P&L's stuck on that. This price action is just insane today.
Welcome to Bell Trading, dude.
Yeah, you ain't kidding. It's just...
What you guys working?
GLTO, I like it off of that October high that it put in too. I'd like it to see it just fade, get rejected off of that level.
I think like it needs to get back below 2019 really for me to get interested. I'm not gonna tinker with it here until it confirms more
Mm-hmm.
the nature of this market. GSIT backside idea off that. It's given that bounce it's been doing. Sleepy fade idea there, guys. GSIT. Let's take a look at it.
Oh, we're halting out
Wolf,
GLTO.
Wolf as well at a very key level, guys. Wolf, an idea there off that 19. Actually,
Yeah, GLTO halted up.
between those two trades, I like that. MTC is kind of losing attention, it feels like. So, maybe it's time for that one to give it up. These others can get some limelight. Sleepy fade.
Oh, Doug, dang, hate to hear that. 100 shares on GLTO. Yeah, that's a lot there for GLTO. No, that was an accident.
What happened?
Just fat fingered an extra zero, or thought he was on a different ticker.
DEO. What's that one? Let me see.
Yeah, I've
Oh
done that
yeah,
before.
DEO sleeper fade for sure. Oh man, that music.
Cue the music.
These both of these kings are halted again. This is the wild Wiki West. So move
Yeah.
halted up. Another bag holder audition to rinse, or are they gonna just? I mean, shit. Halt up through VWAP, man. They might wick us out here. I scaled my stops between 14 and 15, so I might get swept out and rinsed. Nature of this market.
I deal with all, this BS, and then you got MSGM just slowly fading.
And
Which,
but you wake up at 4 or 5 o'clock and it's like peaceful, it's calm, like the
yeah.
sleepy fades, the quick sleepy fades, like
Yeah.
it's tell you, man. And then after hours, it just feels like bearish momentum because like there's not as many people buying and like the pump and dumps give it up more.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it's like reverse psychology market hours. Like I gotta go slow, like be like very selective.
Yeah, that's my problem. I have $86 in fees right now. I'm trading way too much. I'm just clicking the buttons way too much, man.
Yeah, and that the smaller your account is, the more those fees are gonna eat into your profits and stuff. So, which is also a perk of working the 50 or 100K.
All right, let's see where MOVE is going to open up at.
Coffee.
9:55. So she should open up. 5-minute halt will be on 10 o'clock MOVE for those working MOVE.
You're talking MOVE?
Yeah, if it's
Yeah,
5
halted
minutes.
up. Yeah, halted up, so it should be 10, I think.
Okay.
I mean, they
Oh,
don't
it just
always
it just
like
opened. It
that.
just opened. Just opened.
Yeah. What they washed it lower? Yeah,
Yeah.
halted lower, trapped them. Is it another trap? This might really capitulate here, guys. Manage your risk, but that's real bearish. They just trapped the bull. Remember, that's 2 times that they've trapped bulls. If this thing doesn't get back over 13.5, like good night.
I need a good night. I've been up since 3:30.
Yeah, I hear you, dude. It's hard. Then you're like one eye open, like checking your phone on the portal, like, did my stop get hit? All right, there's a 13.5. What's it gonna do? Has it been a minute for anyone that's watching it or interested? It's like right there at it. It probably has been now. FYI. For sleepy fade.
I'm gonna give it up to 15, I think.
Feels like it's gonna be a good one.
Well, it's tapped the 200 perfect, and so more times than not, these things reject that level. We'll see. It's just like oftentimes my biggest struggles, guys, are like it's not seeing the charts. I've seen these for so long. It's like improper sizing, and then
Mm-hmm.
it's mainly sizing issues. Yeah, like sizing too
Yeah.
early, or sizing's tough, man. It can be really tough and aggravating.
Here we go. Sleepy fade. Or not so sleepy. Nightmare fade for.
Because so often we see these things, like we're seeing this morning, where they sweep you out. They just completely liquidity trap you, and so if your stops are too tight, you're getting
Mm-hmm.
effed.
That's like the benefit of working a bigger account. So then you can like maybe like just get a 50K and work it. There we go. Come on, let's go, baby. I sized it a little bit. Not just then, but like off that little pop in the 14. But if you have a bigger account, but you trade the same way you are, you can like give these a little bit more wiggle room comfortably, but still take on a little bit of risk, you know? Because like that's the whole theme. Like give it enough wiggle room to not get chopped out. Because we're convicted, we know the big picture, but it's like getting chopped out in that manipulation. Like same way with MTC, it's like all that. Like it's like it would have sucked to be size that small. It's annoying, but you would have saved so much money the past couple of days, right? Like on the
Hmm.
50-cent wicks and stuff. What if you just had enough balls to withstand that? Whatever position you had, you could withstand all that because you knew
Hmm.
bigger picture, eventually it's going to drop 80%. You know, it's like, and not all plays are going to be like that, but we know the nature of them, so we have to be sized that small to deal with that, right? Like
Yeah. You
I was
nailed
thinking.
it.
Like, why am I sitting in here with 1,000 shares? Why don't I just sit here with 300 and just let it rock? Like, give it $100 of wiggle room because I'm convicted, and like that's so much more risk to manage versus like having 500, 1,000 shares in that name and only being able to give it 10, 20 cents. It's like the Wix 50 cents. You know, it's like the odds are
Right.
just against you. You want to be greedy, and then that's where like the whole relative account size and everything comes in. Like how big is your account actually, whatnot.
Yeah, giving them, plenty of room, like you said. Just got to size so you're not getting max lost, I, and then sizing like dynamically too. Based on if your max risk on the day is 1,000, like you probably shouldn't be giving one ticker $1,000 of risk. It's
Yeah.
it's a lot. It should probably be
Yeah, you got to have some kind of risk plan that's realistic,
giving it a
like
quarter or so.
yeah, it's like a lot of times we're too ambitious with our accounts. Like talk about, we have the right idea and stuff, but we're just too ambitious. Like we want to make too much too fast, and it backfires like 9 times out of 10. And that one big trade where you're right and you oversize, like that's what keeps you, trying to push it. But it's like your long-term success doesn't come from that.
Hmm.
Like you have to predefine, like all the boring stuff, predefine, rigid with the rules, like draw the line in the sand and stick to it. Like it's annoying to hear, but it's the difference in success and failure. Like we talked about, like how long will you stay wrong? Because that's where we all blow up. We choose to stay wrong because our egos get in the way. That
Yeah.
natural fight or flight, the survival instinct. Like I need to make it back. I can't deal with the emotions of this red day, and the market's still open and stocks are still trading. So let me make this back somehow. Like
Yeah.
rewiring, eliminating all of that, and figuring out actual risk management in a process.
I mean, truly, you nailed it all. It all boils down to psychology. Like
Yeah, yeah,
it's
because like
so
you can
hard
have
to
the
step
best
away.
strategy and you can have a ton of capital, but psychology will make you lose everything.
Yeah,
So
like
like,
this
what
morning for
else
me on the
matters?
Fundit,
Like, what matters more than psychology at that point, right?
PSNL spiking up towards 10 traders.
Yeah,
Yeah,
a
that's what
hundred
happened
percent.
for me this morning, dude. Like I'm seeing everything so well. I feel like if I had the damn Neuralink in my brain, I would trade so much better. But it's always us that gets in the way. It's always us that gets in the way
Hmm.
of ourselves. MSGM printing, guys.
Okay. Yeah.
Backside.
Okay. Nice.
Move. I did smack that one again. As that was selling off there. So I
Yeah.
want
I'm,
to see
I'm,
where.
I'm pretty much. I'm very focused on move now. See what
you're
we're working with here. This
you're
is gonna
trying.
continue. Yeah. I'm degenerate.
You're saying you're degenerate without saying it. I got you.
But yeah,
I'm very. Uh,
GLTO short squeeze.
oh yeah, that ticker is ridiculous.
What
I
is it?
stopped that.
MSGM. Yeah, that one looked really good. That one, I really like that one on Friday. I might start getting involved with that one with you. Let me take
Yeah.
a look.
So MTC and MSGM. I'm going to be working those probably majority of the day, unless they stop me out, guys. Okay, move should open up here shortly. I gotta pay a little bit of close attention to it too, because I may have joined you on the degeneracy.
Yeah, seriously.
Okay. MTC, yeah, she's MTC, MSGM. Those are still looking good. And then let's see what if move's going to open up here shortly, where she's going to go. But I mean, it looks like capitulation time, but we'll see. I mean, QLTO, just absolutely insane. Okay, this may be it.
QLTO?
Well, QLTO, you guys know. I mean, it's just that just saying how insane that ticker is.
Wait, GLTO or QLTO? Is there a new one?
GLTO. Yeah,
Oh,
she's halted up to new highs.
okay. I thought I missed a different ticker.
Move
me
must be a 10-minute halt this time because
Yeah, let me take a look at this still. Yeah, GLTO is just turned into that abnormally. And then move, like put in that liquidity sweep originally. Now it trapped bears, it trapped bulls twice. So that feels good.
you
Let's
say,
see, $10. Rainy, guys. Rainy is one to keep on watch. Big $40,000 block just went through, or $80,000 worth of dollar volume just went through it. And I'm single order at 2. See how Rainy's reacting at 2. It's going to be bearish or bullish. That's a good one to watch with meat. So move, we got a couple minutes.
yeah, probably a couple minutes there. Yeah, I'm just gonna watch move out of the halt. May have to take a piece off, guys. I'm gonna see how this one opens up. Anyone have a price on MOVE? I think DOS provides that. You know, something that
Let me see if I can check on.
TTP, it would be nice if they could add is if something is SSR, because that would have probably saved us a couple days with some of these tickers. I think
It
MTC
doesn't even
for
matter for TTP. Like they don't even care. It's just like whatever.
yeah, yeah. Some of these plays when they're you know how it goes with SSR. Okay, let's see. Okay, within a minute on move, we're gonna be opening up. It looks like. All right, let's see where are we going. BNAI, by the way, traders is hitting the scanners 80 cents. Looks like that one's been squeezing up.
Yeah.
All right, move. Here we go. Where are we thinking? This thing headed to $8. Heading up to 15. Halt up.
Did it halt up or down? I don't even know at this point.
Oh, MOVE. It's in a halt down. It's about to open up.
Sleepy fade. Not so sleepy. More like the dollar chop.
Yeah.
The dollar chop waves.
The Dollar Tree chop.
Let's look for $10. Look for 9. It's like, yeah, 11 is pretty key as well. 11, 10, 9. See how it reacts to those dollar levels. Those are all going to be key levels. A little lower at open. Is he going to pop back or just wash?
I'm just going to take a piece off just in case this thing
Yeah. That's the right play.
decides to get froggy.
We know it can do that.
Oh yeah, based off of GLTO and Doug. Yeah, I mean, I feel that that's my struggle too. I do that all the time. I'm like, I know the clear, easy backside plays, and these leading gappers, they reel you in and spit you, chew you up, spit you out.
Yeah, it's like you got a size way smaller, like where it's almost just like annoying or boring per se.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was
And you
thinking of
can
this morning
really
too. I
you can
was
do it, and
That's
yeah,
what I was saying this morning to myself. I was like, Kevin, you gotta just do what you don't feel. You have to stop feeling. The emotions have got to be out of it. Do what is boring. Take emotions out. You're absolutely right. Because then you start thinking and seeing the chart for what it is.
and it's up, guys. Yeah, 100%.
BNAI still squeezing up. Probably 10 cents to take there, but I think we've just been. Yeah, and the upper wicks on the past chart history, BNAI, are pretty good. Some of these penny plays have been, you guys know, they've been aggravating. 5-minute chart, big upper wick there, BNAI.
I took it, resmack smaller again, move
Okay.
at 11. Resmack smaller though, still looking for continuation, guys. Bearish, we're up 100 something percent still.
Yeah, I'm probably going to do the same here in a second. Against, like, I mean, still 14. I mean, it's not bad. Again, you'd have to size that to a level that's boring. That's what I'm going to do. Against 14 on move to try to eliminate the chop. But yeah, in small again there against 14.
Move. Lower. Where is it sweeping right here? It might have swept. Let me see. Might be bullish again. Is it going to get back under 11? Real choppy. Just manage it, guys. Smaller than you want to. Smaller than you feel like it.
Yeah. Half a share.
I'm in for 2 shares. Is that good?
Probably.
Guys, I made $5 and I paid 55 in fees today. Damn it, we're at CMAG all over again. We didn't even realize it.
I mean, you pretty much nailed my day. No, I'm up like, I don't know, man. Like 220, but I paid 90 in fees, dude. Up. So yeah, not really. I gotta stop trading so much. Yeah. Vero curling around right now. VWAP break. Interesting here. Chart on VRO. Let me take a look at the news there again. They received a 510K for the Venus Nova multi-application platform for non-invasive body and skin treatments. I could use a body and skin treatment.
Well then. Well,
Yeah,
then.
I need a translator. All right, so 320 is not too bad there, Vero. A lot of pre-market resistance, but she's kind of stair-stepping, so we'll wait for the liquidity move on it. BNAI just gave that 10 cents off the highs. Yeah, 5-minute looked pretty good there.
Yeah. All right, just setting my stops on the move now and kind of checking out everything else. I gave that a lot of attention, but it was a good trade. So
Yeah, good work.
stick with it.
GLTO halted up and then halted down. I don't even think we're going to be able to get involved there, dude.
Wolf for the sleepy fade off 19 is just a key level, a key risk level present itself. Let me see what the spread looks like. I might take that off 19, like 1911, 1920 for that 15 touch or maybe the wash lower today. 40-cent spread. That's gross. Well, I wanted to keep an eye on if that tightens up.
This chart here looks good on UAMY. It's a hangover looking heavy against the previous close right now, guys. UAMY. I'm not in it. Thinking about it. 830s, decent risk for a fade down even to the 760s, 70s. Oh, MSGM, guys. Anybody else working this? We're in the 20s now.
Nice. I'm gonna take a, yeah, I keep getting distracted. Move has had a lot of my attention. MSGM, wow. Yeah, that thing's cracking, dude. That's a key crack right there. Yeah, breaking a key level. 315 next.
Yeah, that's where some of the moolah's been made today.
Move. Get out the way. Get out the way. That's how that song went?
Oh boy, Byron, back in the studio. Now we're gonna have like ticker themed songs. I mean, we definitely could with the Soggy Peter way back when.
Yeah.
Some of these tickers definitely.
Sleepy fade with the soggy pea. Woke up this morning, dick on my mind. Soggy Peter, sleepy fade, fine.
Oh yeah.
Oh Lord, yeah. Someone hears that first timer hasn't been trading, they're like, man, some weird characters that trade that stock market.
Yeah, if it's your first time in here, traders, those were ticker references. I don't think that was on his mind for real this morning. DTCK was the ticker, which I'm still aggravated about, by the way.
So move had a quick little pop and a quick little drop. See how it's reacting off that 12 level, guys. If you're in it, working leftovers, risk levels.
Yeah, she's in a decent downtrend. Cog T looks really good now, but god dang it. They had to sweep us out. I don't know. I may avoid it. If I trade it, it would be tight, like 33. And actually, really good here, though.
That's annoying, dude. Little mini head and shoulder there, yeah. And that's where it's like, you know, that's where I like the idea of two, right? Because like you might get squeaked out the first time, like that's realistic. But if you get squeaked out the second time, then it invalidates itself, right? Like that's how I look at it. Like if you manage your risk, like taking 2 steps on a trade is not bad at all. Because honestly, a lot of times I'm not right the first time exactly. Like, but if I stick with a ticker, you know, as a short, but it's all about managing your risk until you're right. But that's where it's like hard to draw that line in the sand. You keep stabbing at something. It's like, well, I'm gonna be right. So you get predefining that risk.
Yeah.
That's why I like the idea of like, you know, sizing into something so I can take a small enough paper cut where I can just get out and not feel anything. Or,
yeah, you're 100% on it, man.
Tell yourself, like, I'm only going to try this twice, and if it doesn't work the second time, like we talked about, then you're wrong, and you need to revisit. Like, you can't stay wrong, you know?
It's yeah, that's very challenging. It's my biggest crutch right now is that.
Move popping up a little bit. Let me see how it reacts. Just in very small size now. Leftovers.
Yeah.
GLTO resumption halt down.
Oh my god, dude. Are you smacking this thing?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it. I don't know if it'll count, but
All right. Yeah, GLTO. Goodness gracious. He's not even given an entry at this point. She's just
yeah,
got her liquidity.
exactly.
Falcon, you were short. Okay, now move is gonna start going up.
Yeah, move is well. We'll see.
She's
Oh yeah,
halting
move.
right now.
Move holding up now.
I may take a freaking degen long over there.
I'll sit that one out.
That was a fake halt up.
That's yet another bear trap. If they watch it here, that's gonna be really interesting. What's he gonna do now?
Sleepy fade. Yep, move there. See what they're gonna do with this thing. Move is on the move. Move is halt. Oh, is it?
Fake halt there. They like fake. They like really trapped. That was trappy. Yeah, I'm all out for now on that thing. I mean, that's something to want, but I'm not gonna. I made good money. I'm not gonna give it back on this chop. I'm gonna step away. I made some. I gave some back on that. Woof, guys. Damn it. That 19 was such a good risk level to really size it. Just was a little spready. Really like that 19 from the big picture downtrend.
This is, guys, I mean, GLTO and
GLTOs might be done now.
And move. I mean, this is what makes people break their computers.
Yeah.
This
You
kind of
gotta know
action.
the nature of this market. You gotta know it. Like, imagine being full size trading these. Like, just, dude, don't do it. Just don't.
Oh, Vero rejected off a 3. Pretty strong right there. Could be heavy against that 3 now, guys, on Vero. She might be worth a stab just like against over 3 now because, that was the 200-day too. Yeah, Vero against 3 in the 200-day looks fairly heavy now. This market's just like, yeah, it's honestly, this is the action we've been really seeing lately, and that's
that trap.
I haven't been respecting, like you said, just respect it and move along. You got to respect the idiocy of this market. UAMY is setting up really nice, guys, against previous close. 830s there, and now even 820s. UAMY I'm gonna get involved with.
You said GLTO opening at $18 now. I wish I could have smacked more of it. Let's see if it reclaims back to like 20 and gives us an entry. There is a gap though at like 23, so I wouldn't get too heavy.
You guys heard me on UAMY. Somebody just dumped it.
You're in it?
No, because I was about to press the order. It just dropped 20 cents.
I know. Same thing with Wolf. Painful. It's like I saw a good entry and didn't take it. Spread dropped 40 cents.
Yeah, UAMY now against 8. I mean, there's still meat here. I hate chasing plays. Let me get a pop here on it, then I'll get involved.
Which one?
UAMY against the previous close.
Okay. United States antimony? What the hell is that?
You ain't
Is that
heard
the
of
one
that?
you were reading the news earlier and you couldn't decipher it? Yeah, it looks really bearish, man.
Yeah, I like the 830 level.
What is this? Just a hangover?
Yeah, it's pretty much hangover.
Where'd you find this thing? It looks
Oh,
pretty
dude,
good.
I've
Yeah.
been up since 3:30. What do you mean how
Oh, wait,
I've
it
already
already
flipped
jumped.
through every. I've probably
LTO resumption, guys.
flipped through every damn ticker in the stock market this morning.
GLTO Wild Wiki West. A lot of volume. A lot of volume. So it resumed at uh it resumed at 28 on the dot. So we're 30 seconds in, just FYI from resumption.
I think it should stay heavy against a lot of those levels now at this point, but we'll see.
O2 is the print to get involved.
If
Yeah.
it halts up now, I'm probably just gonna be gone.
Bag holder be gone. Bag holders be gone.
Perfect fall. I hate to hear that, man.
Right there at VWAP.
But I know that feeling all too well. That's tough to say.
Yeah.
If you were letting them play out, it's tough to say. It's like whether you should have locked in or let them play out. I mean, in hindsight, yeah, but it's tough sometimes.
Move resumption, guys. See if that's going to push higher or if it's going to give up. GLTO here at 20 at near VWAP.
Move halting up.
Okay, so
Oh,
GLTO should dump then. They've been stealing the show from one another.
Well, it fake halt again, dude.
Move is got a curly stair-steppy uptrend nature now. GLTO needs to give up. Come on, GLTO. Give me one more wash down.
Move looking.
What did move to sweep? What's it doing?
Yeah, it looks sweepy.
Sweepy. Oh my god, yeah, it looks wiki. It looks like MTC PTSD. Speaking of MTC, turned into the sleepy fade.
Yes, sir.
We've been
I gotta
waiting for a long time. Are you
get
getting
off.
involved with move? This thing, man, jeez. Oh my god.
I shouldn't.
It's like, is the halt down about to happen? The capitulation halt down? Like, it almost feels like, phew, I don't know, man. That thing, not for the scared. Not for the weak.
Oh, who's scared? Now she's about to. Yeah. Move probably.
I got eval money. I ain't scared.
I got my EBT money and I got my eval money. Come on. What else we got? Dude, I didn't know. Like
GLTO, creepy sleepy.
apparently there's like 43 million people on the EBT. Yeah, it's tough times out there.
EBT on EBT? Oh yeah.
Yeah, the snap.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, times are tougher than they've ever been. Bills have just gone up and up. Like, it's crazy. UAMY, that thing's working out well for you, man. That thing looks good.
Yeah, yeah. Good job, guys. Anyone who took UAMY, I didn't.
Oh,
Unfortunately,
woof,
yeah.
painful miss there. Off that 19. I've been watching that thing
Just gotta
stalking
be
it
more
too.
selective. Like my gut tells me when something's good like this, but I'm over here, trading the freaking moves of the world. I mean, I'm not going heavy on them at all. Like I'm in GLTO right now, but not too heavy.
Yeah. Damn it.
What Wolf went with it? Wait, it was like a 40 cent spread when you looked at it, though.
Yeah. I've been studying it. I should have been on it, but it's fine. Yeah, so move is pumping higher and GLTO is kind of reversing to lower, it looks like.
Anyone else work in MTC with Fade? You're working that too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't think you wouldn't let that one go without you.
No. Let me see if there's anything I'm missing. I mean, I'm sure there's something, but
UAMY is pretty good, guys. I mean, decent sell off there, UAMY.
yeah. Has it got a lot of volume or is it just sleeping out?
I feel like I've been working the streets for this money this morning, dude. God dang it. I mean, I'm
Yeah.
up decent, but
And careful with the 4 a.m. burnout too, bro, because that's real. Like if you wake up too many mornings at 4 in a row, you start to just get sloppy. Like you're just not there mentally.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
like your mental capacity. I've noticed that. It's so gross. Like you'll grind so hard, you'll wake up early a couple mornings in a row, and then like the market will kind of turn. You're like, you'll have a bad day, you'll go into spiral, and then you're just like, damn, dude, I just like there's not a shittier feeling than that. Like, so just be weird of the grind of like the mental capacity, guys. Like mental capital.
Oh, dude, I felt like complete shit. Waking up at 3:45 to max loss on the funded.
Yeah.
It's
Tell
not
me
very.
about it.
It's not very fun doing that.
Oh, you got liquidated at 4 a.m. as well?
Oh, dude, I top ticked IMTE.
Oh, see, okay, yeah. So the thing is, like, right at 4 o'clock, there's like serious irrationality. So I think you're
Yeah.
best off just waiting. Like, don't even get up till 4:30 or 5, and then
Okay.
assess it. I think that's where the right play is. Either that or go really small risk and overnight it, knowing that you could get liquidated on a move like MS, whatever the hell that one ticker is that's coming up.
MTC at an important level. MTC important level, guys. We've been
Let's go,
screaming this one.
GLTO. Let's go. Come on,
Yeah,
hold down one
because
of these.
move's
I
been on the
can
move.
chase this damn UAM.
Oh,
Let's
GLTO.
go. Let's go. Print it. Print
Pay
it.
me. Pay the
Are we
man.
halting? Are we halting?
It better not halt up from here.
Print it. Print it.
Pay the man.
What's up, baby? Printer Piper.
Your girl's getting a good lunch today. Y'all going to all you can eat sushi.
Oh, don't say that. Now she's gonna have the idea in her head. You still order one from the spoon, the spatula in the kitchen. Oh man. When you come back to Orlando, bro, I miss you.
I know it'd be so. In the end of May, I'll be there.
Sweet.
Let's do it. Let's hang out.
Yeah, I'm gonna head up to see the folks in Georgia in the mountains. I think probably this weekend or something.
Oh, okay.
I'll still be around for streaming stuff, but I'll be up in Georgia next week. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be next week. Move, squeezing on up, GLTO, fading on down, guys. And it's like that's the algorithm today, right? It's like one does one thing and the other does the other. So just make sure you're locking your profits in. Big fade there.
Probably what I should do.
Yeah, I went ahead and took it
I'll
at
take
18. I'm gonna smack again, right? Smack again, smaller size again. Keep working it, like smaller than the last ladder, and break your stops up and then just give it some room to work. Fade. That way you're not getting out prematurely. You still got some skin in the game, but you're protected.
Well, I wish I'd be on the funded for MTC today, but I'm happy because it was kind of like you just have to maintain a good mindset, because if it's so easy to just be all
His
pissed
really
off.
NY play is really
But-
working. Where's
but,
that thing headed?
dude, yeah, MTC.
UAMY, a little honey hole, secret honey hole.
Like yeah, I'll just say, because I know which one. Oh, swag,
UAM.
guys. What the swag?
Swag. Oh, honey. Oh, never mind. I don't know.
Swag is going straight up right now.
The next thing's a little janky. Yeah, that UAMY is getting a lot of volume.
Can you see my chart, bro?
Swag.
Look at this gapped fill.
Oh, wow. We're going long?
No, hell no. We got a gap fill $11, guys, on swag.
Warrior call, guys. Warrior trough call. Wow, it's kind of weird, like MTC just cooperating. Like, something feels off. The way that thing's done us, like.
I know something. I was trying not to say that. Come on, knock on.
I wasn't supposed to say that, was I?
You were because she did. She just because dude, for an entire week straight. For an entire week straight, I was up good on MTC, and then it just shot around and squeezed out. So that's why I haven't been trying to say anything. Because MTC like that does terrify me a little bit.
GLTO looks like that was a perfect cover and resmacked like in smaller size because it's starting to come back a little bit. So it's like, yeah, we can't stay over convicted on these drops. Like, you got to take some off, like, and then just scaling your stops, scaling your position down on leftovers.
All right, I guess I'll do that on MTC then.
Removing the emotions. MTC, yeah. Go ahead and scale your stops on MTC. Don't get over convicted because that's the problem. We got over convicted. We didn't scale our stops appropriately, and we had to pay the price for that. It squeezed up on us like multiple times, and that was really painful.
It was very painful.
So GLTO, I'm in smaller size now. It's pumping. I might stab at it again here. What's it gonna do? What are we doing here? Getting a little rowdy again? So this is where you take some, and now you got room to resmack it a little bit if you want to try to restab it. But it's getting kind of bullish. Strong bullish reclaim. See what it's gonna do here. I went ahead and got in UAMY with you. I'm involved there.
I'm gonna take GLTO small again up here towards 20 with the 20.
Yeah. I just scaled in a little bit of GLTO here at this level.
2170 stop on that. Oh, man.
And then move is going to be interesting here at the highs, really, besides like the damn near highs. Move. Move is at an interesting level. Is it halted?
Is it halting up, dude?
Yeah, move is halted up again. Wow. That's going to be interesting how it reacts there. MTC, man, that thing's working out. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Move, resumption, lower. Chop City.
I came up with a new song title. Just put it in the Discord chat. Monday Manipulation.
Monday Manipulation.
It's so true.
God. Perfect fall, man. All the way back to his roots. Damn, Max lost Monday. I'm sorry, bro. Yeah. It happens to the best of us, guys. It happens to the best of us.
Back to his roots. Max lost Monday, you asshole. Yes. That's where I'm at too, though. Max lost Monday. This curse, dude. This Max lost Monday curse. Delete the song. Delete
And then like spiraling's so good, but it's like, wait, I probably shouldn't have this stuck in my head at the same time.
Oh my god.
UAMY, dude, this little honey hole. Where's another forbidden fruit that you found for us?
Forbidden fruit. The forbidden fruit is the leading gappers this morning, dude, not these backside.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're right.
I'm dead.
But yet we're trading both of. But yet we've been trading both of them. So move halted down. Ah, God, this is crazy, dude.
Vero was good against 3. I didn't take it, but Vero was good against 3. QURE has literally dropped points. I mean, that was, just didn't take.
Yeah, I mean, there's been a lot of action with these top gainers. Like they're up hundreds of %, so there's a lot of meat. So yeah, BNAI, VCIG is a cheap one that's kind of pumpy, 80% now. I mean, between GLTO and Move though, there's a lot of meat there, so you just can't oversize, obviously.
Yeah, this UAMY chart, guys, study it if you don't know hangovers, because this is the picture perfect hangover. It presents itself every day.
Yeah, for real, dude, you're on it. Spiraling, spiraling.
Yeah, the AKAM. This is a hangover too. Look, this one's got rim. AKAM 86 is the top now on it.
Okay.
Looking happy. Actually, it looks really good. I might take a little bit of it.
AKAN 140.
AM. AKAM.
Oh, okay.
As in Max lost Monday.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it is setting up. That's interesting. Probably light volume, huh?
Yeah. I'm going to take it against that consolidation 86. Just trying to pad the wallet, guys, up on the day. The decent setup for maybe even a fade to 81 or lower.
Spiraling.
Yeah, dang it. I hate that perfect fall for the 100K.
Well, it's that was on the funded now?
Yeah.
Or it was the eval?
Yeah, it was the funded.
Oh, damn. That's the worst too. When you're on a good run on evals and then you get on the funded and it cools down, or like yeah, man. I think you've been doing really good, but maybe just, size down a little bit like they recommended. Yeah, because like that's what happens. You get on a good streak and you get ambitious and you size up, and then like it can backfire so quick.
I don't
But as
think
long
you
as
was.
you respect that max loss, like, and don't buy through it. Or now that you have a 100K account, dude, I would just trade it like a 50 or a 25. Have them drop your max loss down way, and then it's like you have plenty of wiggle room for like a bad streak to weather that storm, right? 250 share, yeah, on the expensive play like that. True. Yeah, it only takes like 100 or 200 to blow up on a trade like that. You can start getting hundreds of shares when it gets a little tighter, but like in that initial chop and volatility, like, yeah, it happens.
He didn't come out.
Short seller. It's just managing the red days. Everything is a short, because like we have a lot of success and stuff, but the bad days can really be bad if we let them. So just like that's what me and Kevin keep talking about. Just figuring a way to manage that loser and not let it get too bad. Like that's really the key.
Yeah.
GLTO getting a little squeezy again. At VWAP, guys. See how that 20 reacts. That's key.
Yeah, it's I mean, at least you didn't come out here swinging with your full 2,500 shares. They're like, this is your limit. Okay, that's where I'm starting from. But yes, sizing's tricky, man. Sizing is it's literally like even to this day, I struggle with it. Like this morning, I started things too heavy too early. It's
It's
just
like yeah, because it's really the psychology of it. Because it's like we want the thrill, we want to make a lot of money, so we want to size up. But it's like at the same time, we know that that's a recipe for disaster, especially at certain times. Like knowing when it's time to size up and when it's not. Like a good like pre-market setup that's like A+, that's when you can really size it. But like at the bell at 10 o'clock on a top gainer, if you're sizing that, like it's probably not going to end well. And the time it does, it tricks you to think like, okay, I could do this, and then you get chopped up the next 3 times. It's like, well, damn.
yeah, I struggle with that because like the hangovers, I should size up on those, but then sometimes I don't, and then I size into like these, moves and GLTOs. But AKAM, I'm gonna work that on the backside hangover, and she's looking pretty decent right now. And then MTC, I still have leftovers on MTC and GLTO. I have a leftover position there as well, but that's probably gonna wrap it up, guys, for me. What you got, Fades? And it seems like it was kind of. I mean, it was challenging. VCIG. Hang on, I might not be done. VCIG.
Yeah, that one's been pumping. Is it going higher?
Yeah, I got a level of resistance we're at. Let me see. Okay, I got some resistance.
GLTO looks like further grind in there, guys. Just be careful. Don't overstay your welcome.
VCIG, I got over 2 as resistance. It's industrial. Like a lot of these plays this morning have been industrial. I mean, that's just
That's
whatever
the new
sector.
thing, huh?
I guess that's the new thing. I mean, it probably pulls over 2, but 220 might be a decent level. VCIG. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna like keep the funded like in the wings for now, Fades, and just get another one funded because
Play it conservative, like just step
I
back a
don't know.
little until you start to get some momentum.
Yeah,
Yeah, I mean that's probably a wise thing to do. Or just, like I always preach, like have that eval, but like when you really see a good trade, then you can lean into
yes.
it on the founded.
I keep
But some
taking
days you're
portions
just
of
not
it
going to
too.
see like any major screamers, or it's just going to feel a little bit more hesitation or whatever. So, you know.
Yeah, I agree. Take the trades on the eval when something's like really screaming my name. Head over to the funded and take it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's been on honestly over the last 3, 4, 5 months. That was like my worst couple week run in a while. Last 2 weeks.
Yeah, it's been tough. Like I was doing really well, but the last week or two was real tough for me too. So it's like, and knowing that you're not alone in that kind of brings like, I mean, it's not fun, but it's like, I guess it's better than you just sucking and not anyone else, right?
Well, yeah, as we don't want each other. It's not like we want each other to suck. I think it just brings awareness to the situation. Like, okay, another
Other
consistent
sports are
trader.
struggling. This makes sense. Like, yeah,
Yeah,
like I need to size down. I need to readjust. I need to be a little tighter. Like,
yeah. All right,
yeah.
we'll run a poll real quick, guys, and see what how everybody did. I think was not the easiest of mornings though with this chop. And let us know if you guys have any questions. Again, join the Discord. We're always chatting in there throughout the day. And then VCIG, of course, I'm still monitoring that trade. Yeah, she's squeezing up towards
Oh wow,
two.
move, you piglet. Oh my god, as soon as I take my eyes off of it, it drops freaking 4 points. Wow, look at that. Mm-mm-mm.
It feels like it's got to be done after that, right?
That's-
Did it just open up at 14?
What happened? It halted twice?
I might stab at that one too, man. Stab at that one and GLTO smaller. Just give them a couple points and move along.
Yeah. Yeah, at this point, once lunch hits, it's like definitely a time to just size down, give things wiggle room. Like, don't try to size up and force things during lunch. You're just gonna get chopped out, guys.
AKAM, even though it's an $80 stock, that one hangover working out.
Move, wow, dude. GLTO, death candle, maybe. Let's see. Right there at VWAP again. This point, move feels like, I don't know, just gambly. Like, I don't know, dude. What do they want? You know the bulls are sketched out now.
Yeah. Yeah, move and GLTO. I'm smaller of both of those with a couple point risk for a
Yeah,
fade throughout the day. But
that AKM is interesting that you pointed out too.
yeah, I like it against 85.6, for the
And
bleed.
UAMY is textbook. That one's worked out beautifully.
Yeah, good job getting involved there.
GLTO heavy goes.
Yeah, just leftovers everything right now.
Yeah. So you made back that max loss on the other account? That wasn't on the funded, was it?
Yeah, it was funded.
Ah, jeez, man. I think a mistake I've made in the past is like getting too aggressive first thing on Monday morning as a short.
Yeah,
Like
that's
I'm a little cautious for that reason, just because the Warriors have had to sit there all weekend too, and they're ready to buy something up and chase and whatnot.
yeah,
But
you're right. Well, I think it's a couple things just to note for myself mentally. Like, I was too eager to press the button on it this morning, and I think that was bad. Like, oftentimes the money's made in the uncommon patience, right? So like you gotta wait for the bulls to really like come in and let the present the opportunities rather than. But then also like I kept smacking it. Like I say I'm not gonna do. I just kept trying it. It's like that's real bad for me. Really that's a really bad downhill habit I have that I wish I could have them set that on my account. Like if I take 2 losses on a trade, however you can do it. I don't know. If you take 2 losses on a trade, you're done with it. Or like I think I texted you earlier, if I take, for instance, like a dollar amount. If I take a dollar amount loss on this ticker, don't allow me to trade it. Something along those lines.
Yeah.
Don't get greedy. Don't get over convicted. It's all the things that I think we're aware of. It's just difficult in the moment, sometimes. Because IMTE, I saw that chart, dude, and I'm like, we see what's going to happen, especially with no news. And I got over convicted, and I got greedy, and but you're right. Monday mornings, like you gotta let the bulls have their little play day too.
Yeah, and then like the 4 a.m. thing, right at 4 a.m. either you can get liquidated out of overnight shorts on these volatile plays, or you can get very chopped up front side. But if you wait for backside to reveal itself early morning, like that's where a lot of the fruit can be picked. Like this morning, dude, like there was a lot of money. Like you could have made over Q very quickly on those fades this morning.
I know.
And then you come here to this market chop when you're battling And it really feels like a gamble with these king of the days and the halts, right? It's upside down. Well, this one's halting up, this one's halting down, but then they both do the opposite. And it's just like a total slaughter fest. So, again, like we keep reiterating, understand what you're trading, like what market you're trading, what time, and, size according to that. Like Fall was talking about, like realizing like when I need to be sizing, like how I need to be sizing, because like each play is going to be a lot different. So,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you got to give them just abnormal room. I think it's just we got to stop. Well, we as an I have got to stop trying to, like you said, make it exciting. Try to make it boring. Like for this VCIG, for instance, I'm gonna take the trade here, VCIG at 2 on the short, and give it up, to 225. Just take this. For me, it's single entries work better. Scaling is always trouble for me for some reason. It just is. So take the single entry, size smaller, and give it like a decent amount of the day. Like I got it. Fades, I think something I'm trying to do more of now is like look at where the ticker is going to be like a couple hours from now, not where it's going to be in 30 seconds, and try to scalp it. So size and small, looking at, and I know we try to do that, and you do it very well. Like, okay, this is a great fade today. That's what we're eyeballing, because those are where we have conviction to just let them work, and those are where a lot of the money's made.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, 100%. Just figure out the risk for yourself and stick to those rules. Like, never trying one ticker more than so many times. Like, that's a really good, key thing you have to implement on your trading. Like, only take so much of a loss and only try a ticker so many times and be wrong. And if you like can master those two things and respect them, that's a lot of the battle, honestly.
yeah. So we'll see where the day ends up, guys. I've made back on the eval what I lost on the funded, so I guess there's that. But how do you end up today?
Yeah, I'm
Good
green
and
right
green?
now.
Good.
Yeah, good and green right now. Just not going to get too ambitious here as launch creeps up. But let these plays, give them a little bit of wiggle room. I mean, move and GLTO both for the big picture fade. Just,
Yeah.
don't get tunneled in. Don't keep rehitting it if you get stopped out. Just size smaller than you think you should.
That's exactly where you
Yeah,
hit the nail on the head.
in MTC, I'm in that thing too for bigger picture. Wolf
Me.
source project. That's all right. You can't catch them all, guys.
Yeah, it's hard to catch them all, but yeah, good work this morning. It's not an easy one, not necessarily too
Just
easy.
stay positive, guys, and if you need to put yourself in trader rehab and just size down and be more selective, or lean in if you're getting chopped out and it's been rough, like analyze your trading and see like where are you going right and where are you going wrong, like, and just like to start by looking at the time frames, like when am I making money, when am I losing money, like that was key for me. I realized I was getting chopped up a lot at like around 10 o'clock, that first hour of manipulation, and then I would make a bunch in pre-market and after hours. So I realized in market hours I struggle a little bit, so I sized down and be more selective, and as long as I respect that, I'll be good. So kind of analyze your own data. It's all in front of you on Trade the Pool. That's a beautiful thing.
Well said, very well said. All right, traders, if you're sticking around, VCIG pretty good against the highs there, 220. It's pulling back already right now. I got 5 on working. I'll put those in the Discord, so if you're not in the Discord, jump in there free in the description below. But yeah, we'll do it again. We'll do it again tomorrow. I think Fades, what I may do, I definitely get the burnout waking up at 4 o'clock. I think it's a good approach, like what you said. Give them like 30 minutes, an hour. Wake up, take a few trades. Throw them down in the Discord, and then maybe go back to sleep for an hour or two. And just let them.
That's a rinse repeat strategy that works out well.
Yeah.
Sometimes I get over greedy and overstep it, and it works out more times than it doesn't to just overnight them from the after hours pump session once they get bearish. But then there'll be mornings like this where it pumps $1 and then it fades. So it's like you can get swept out in that. So you got to set your risk and just, But yeah, dude, the early morning waking up 4:35, man, can be very fruitful. Very fruitful.
Yeah, we'll keep our eyes on that and make sure you guys are tuned into some of these hot alerts like VCIG against the highs right now. But good work, guys. It's a tough day. Stay positive. Like Fate says, the mind's more important than the results, really. I mean, the positivity is what's going to help get you through it. So just focus on how we can be better and be better tomorrow. And I think that's where we make improvements, right? Versus just shutting the computer off and saying, well, hell with today, on to tomorrow.
Yeah, I mean, I've done that a lot. I would be in denial and just be like, "Oh man," hit max loss and like don't even think about it, don't even look at anything. Just think about how big of a dumbass I was. Like, oh, I over leveraged again. Like, you know.
Yeah.
But it's like if you go actually look at your chart, go look at your data and be like, where am I going wrong? Like, why did I blow up that last eval? Like, why did I hit that max loss today? Like, it's not fun, but like that's how we get better, right? We confront the things that we might not want to. It's like you can't just keep letting the issues fester. You got to figure them out and cut them off. Figure it out, the dead weight. What's going on when you're trading. And
Yeah.
the data's all there. The data's all there. So, I've talked about it, how I went back and looked at my data and realized, aha moments and whatnot. So, yeah.
Yeah, fortunately and unfortunately, that data's there for us. But yeah, take advantage of it. It's good. It's great. I mean, you get to see, you're faced with the reality. Like, okay, my equity curve is taking a dive. What is going on?
Mm-hmm.
Then we get to figure it out.
Yeah, 100%.
All right, man, go get that all-you-can-eat sushi. Appreciate you.
All right, guys. See y'all soon. Stay safe out there.
Yeah, take care.